Hi there, I'm Mariah, bookkeeping expert, wife, and mom of three living out in sunny Arizona. And today I'm going to tell you my story of how I got into bookkeeping 10 years ago and what it's done for my life and other people that I've helped get into this industry. So when I was 20, I had my first son and I wasn't going to be able to put him in daycare. I didn't want to go back to work. I really just wanted to be a mom and stay home. So part of that was I needed some kind of income from home and I wanted to have something that I could be building along the way because I knew I was going to have more kids and all of that kind of stuff. So I started doing a lot of research on different industries and I chose bookkeeping really because of three things. The first thing is that everything is online and remote and most communications via email with clients. I didn't want to be on calls all day. I didn't want to be on anyone's schedule. And then the work could be done completely remotely on your own, anytime you wanted to do it from the computer, just using software. The next thing is that it was beginner friendly, meaning that if I was willing to learn the software, learn bookkeeping and get certified, that's pretty much all I needed to do. I didn't need a degree. I didn't need a business license. I didn't need all these other things because bookkeeping is not the same as accounting. Your bookkeeping is more of like the data entry categorization. And that's why you don't need a degree for it. Whereas like accounting is more like taxes, payroll, higher level accounting, things like that. So that's another reason I chose it. The last reason really is that like I could get clients from anywhere. I wasn't limited to location. And I could get clients online. I didn't need to be like on social media. I didn't need to be doing any of that. So it's kind of like a perfect business model. The main reason though that stuck out to me with bookkeeping is it had two types of income that I was looking for. The first type of income is project income. So the large upfront projects when you are getting someone's bookkeeping set up or you're getting someone's bookkeeping cleaned up. The next type of income was the recurring monthly service to keep the books up to date. I just didn't want to have to constantly be searching for gigs and searching for clients. I wanted to have maybe 10 to 20 clients on a monthly retainer and work part-time. When I was at the point where I got 10 to 20 clients, I was making six figures and I was working on a client a day. So I was working at nap time during this time. So 1 to 2 hours a day from about 12 to 1 once I built up to that point. So the flexibility and the control I had over my schedule and the recurring money coming in, that is the main reason I decided to get into bookkeeping. And for the last 10 years, it's been that for me where I've had now 3 kiddos. Now I have kiddos in school. I have kiddos in sports. I have a big full life. I enjoy, working out and, doing other things outside of work. I didn't want to build a business that totally consumed my life. And especially as a mom and a wife and taking care of the house and the kids and all the other things we do as women. So it's just been that for me. And now I would say bookkeeping also got to the point for me where I have an assistant that handles a lot of the data entry and categorization for the clients. And I am just kind of playing like a management role. So you can even grow to that point where you've outsourced a lot of the work and you're just kind of running the business. And that's the great thing about bookkeeping. It's totally flexible. So you get to pick what role you want to play. You get to pick what clients you want to take. You get to pick what your workload looks like, where you work, when you work. I mean, it's full time and income freedom that comes with entrepreneurship. But instead of just starting some random business, you're starting a business that businesses already know they need. Bookkeepers are always going to be in demand because clients need those numbers to file taxes. Clients need those numbers for financing, and they need those numbers to understand where they stand financially. So bookkeeping is always going to be a booming industry, especially because millions and millions of businesses are created in America alone every single year. So I just wanted to get on here and give you guys a little bit of my backstory of why I decided to join bookkeeping, why I decided to build my business, and how it's affected my family and affected my life. And my entire 20s, I have not had to have a job. Not one time have I had a job since I've had my son. I have completely just been doing bookkeeping since then. And I've helped over 3,000 people learn bookkeeping and find their own version of time and income freedom because so many of my friends and people that I knew were like, hey, what are you doing? And so I started teaching this because there's so many clients and there's so many businesses, there's enough clients to go around. So I always like to share this, especially to those moms who are just looking for a way where they're like, oh, I'm kind of drowning, or I want to stay home with my kids, or maybe you just want to travel, or you want a flexible income solution. It really can work for anybody. But you just have to decide. You have to commit. That's the one thing that I did. I said, you know what? I'm picking bookkeeping. I'm solid on that. There's no plan A, there's no plan B, C. Like, this is what I'm doing. This is the vehicle I'm getting in. I'm going to do the learning curve. I'm going to get my certification, and I'm going to start getting clients. And I committed to it, and I was consistent, and I stuck with it. And that's why I have the results that I have. That's why my members get the results, because everything comes from commitment and taking action, not just thinking, oh, I might have a side hustle and dabble in this and dabble in that. You're never going to get anywhere like that. You need ultimate commitment to your decision that you're going to do it. And that is what I had. And obviously I had a very strong reason why, holding my little newborn baby, not wanting to leave him. So I had a strong reason why. But so maybe you have to find your reason. Like, if you're getting into bookkeeping and you want to have a business that gives you all these freedoms, what's the bigger reason why you want that? And hold on to that as you go through the process, because bookkeeping is not a get rich quick overnight thing. You have to learn the skill. You have to do the certification. You have to start getting clients. Now, can you do that in 30 to 60 days? And can your life look very different? Absolutely. But you have to commit to it. I do have a free community for people who are looking to learn about bookkeeping, to learn if it's a right fit for them. Completely free. Has over 80,000 members in it. And there's a 3-day workshop inside the classroom in the community where you get to learn about bookkeeping more and see if it's a good fit for you. Okay. On day 1, I go over exactly what bookkeeping is. I go over how to do it using the software and the business model. Day 2, I'm going to go over exactly how to do it for a client from start to finish. And I also teach you where to go to get certified and where to go to get your training completely free. In day 3, this is the most important day. It's your 30 to 60 day launch plan. And on this day, I'm going to take you step by step by step, exactly what I did to get where I'm at. And it's all free. I'll show you how to get free training, free certification, set your business up for free. And I'm going to show you exactly how I get clients online totally free. Okay. So if you're just like kind of on the fence and wanting to see if this is a good fit for you, this is a great opportunity for you. The link is in the description. Once you register, you will have instant access. All you need is to provide is your name and your email, and you'll get instant access. You'll create a login. You can get access to the community, to the classroom. You can ask me questions. So it's just going to give you a supportive space to like go from, okay, I'm a beginner and I'm kind of figuring out if this is right for me, to this is right for me. Okay. And can decide if this is something you want to do or not. So again, jump over the link, like, comment, subscribe, enroll into the free 3-day workshop. The link is in my bio. Share it with any of your friends if you want to do it with somebody. We have tons of people who build businesses with their friends or their sister or their mom or whoever. So if there's other people you want to join the workshop with you, go ahead. But don't procrastinate. Jump in, do it now, start learning so that you can start putting these things into place and see if bookkeeping is a good fit for you.